Want to know how to create more realistic renders? One way to do so is by adding imperfections like dirt and scratches, like the ones you see around the moldings here. And that's exactly what I'll teach you today. Alright, for this example, we'll be using 6 elements. We have 2 bitmaps or corona bitmaps. One is the material that we're gonna put on the wall and the molding, and the other one is dirt or scratches that will add on the circumference of this molding. Third element is the corona color correct, which we'll later add to the molding so that we can make it a little bit brighter than the wall, and then corona distance, which is where all the magic happens. And of course, we cannot forget the 2 materials that we added, one to the molding and the other to the wall. Let's go step by step on how to do the photorealistic effect. First of all, we select the molding from the viewport. Then we'll go to the corona distance and we'll add the molding to the corona distance text map. Of course, you can always include it from here. Keep the distance far in mind because we're going to use it later. Then we'll connect the material text map to the far color. Then we'll connect it to the wall diffuse color, or if you're using corona physical material, then you go to the base color. As you can see here, the effect is already in play. If we increase the distance, this effect will be more distributed around the molding. If we decrease, it'll be more defined across the molding. Then we'll connect the material to the input of the corona color correct, and we'll adjust the brightness of this material so we can connect it to the diffuse color, or of course if you're using physical material, then you go to the base color. So the molding can have the same material as the wall, but only a lighter shade. And of course, we'll connect the corona color correct to the near color of the corona distance. Now the effect is more visible. And last but not least, we'll connect the dirt so we can give the effect of the scratch to the distance scale of the corona distance. And here you can see the difference. And now, of course, if we move the object, the effect moves along with it. Like, share, and save it for later.